Welcome back to our ongoing exploration of the world of jewelry and component manufacturing. Today, we will take a closer look at two more processes involved in the production of high-quality jewelry: welding and gemstone setting. Welding is a technique used to firmly connect metal pieces together. There are two types of welding: hand welding and laser spot welding, which are used to join components such as bales and hinges into place. Welding is a crucial step in ensuring that the final product is strong and durable. Gemstone setting is a process that involves setting gemstones, such as diamonds and colored gemstones, into the jewelry. The quality of gemstone setting is a reflection of the skill and artistic level of the jewelry maker, and it has a significant impact on the overall quality of the final product. There are three types of setting, including hand setting, micro setting, and wax setting. Micro setting involves using a microscope to carefully set the gemstones, and it requires workers to have a good understanding of the tools and to master the angles and details involved in the process. And that's a brief overview of the welding and gemstone setting processes involved in the jewelry and component manufacturing. These steps are crucial in ensuring that the final product is of the highest quality, both in terms of strength and beauty. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more informative videos on the world of jewelry and component manufacturing.